Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Madden NFL 24 starters not playing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to click on the Buy Now option in the upper right corner, and these are your options. You can download for PlayStation, for Xbox, the EA app for Windows, Steam, and Epic Game Store. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if you are experiencing an issue in Madden NFL 24 where your starters are not playing as they should, there are several potential fixes that you can try. Number one is you might want to go to the team management section and check the death chart, because you need to ensure that your starters are correctly listed in the top positions. Sometimes the game may auto-adjust the death chart due to injuries or other roster changes. Now, you might want to restart the game, because sometimes, you know what, simply restarting the game can resolve minor bugs and glitches. Save your progress and close the game and restart it. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to restart the game to see if that works. Now, another thing that you can do is to make sure your game is updated to the latest patch. EA Sports frequently releases updates that fix bugs and gameplay issues. Of course, all you have to do is check for updates on your gaming platform like PlayStation, Xbox, PC, install any available patches. As you can see, there's a lot, but there's no recent update from February. So just make sure you check for updates regularly on the Madden NFL 24 website here on EA Sports. Now, another steps that you can do is to reinstall the game. If none of the above solutions work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the issue, because it happened to me in the past. So what I did was, there's like a missing bugs and missing files like DLL. So what I did was I just reinstalled. I went to the library and uninstalled the Madden NFL 24 Deluxe Edition and reinstalled it, restarted my computer, and yeah, it works in my case. So you might want to try that as well. Now, another thing that you can do is you might want to join some NFL Madden 23 or 24 Discord server, because from here there are like 2,000 members, active users that could potentially help you to fix the Madden starters not playing. All you have to do is ask and post a topic or in the forum that you can get, because one of the active community players are more than welcome to give you an insights, troubleshooting steps that you can do to hopefully fix the Madden NFL 24 starters not playing. So these are a lot, like 2,000 members, and one of them should be able to help you with that. All right. Another option that you can do is you might want to go here at the Madden NFL 24 support. These are the popular help topics in Madden NFL 24, and just hover in the see all help topics, and you might want to across some tips on how to fix Madden NFL 24 not playing. Otherwise, what you can do, if none of the above steps work, just hover down below and click on the Get Help from the Madden NFL 24 community. Click on the Go option. These are more topics that you can check, especially here in the technical issues and bug reports, right? And from here, you would be able to get some answers from your problems fixing the Madden starting players, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.